Hey there, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. In this video, we're going to take a new construction walkthrough tour of the Bentcreek floor plan by Great Southern Homes. The Bentcreek is just under 2,300 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. There's a bedroom and a full bath on the main level. Open floor plan with laminate floors throughout the main level, granite countertops in the kitchen, walk-in pantry. There's a gas log fireplace in the living room as well. There's also a covered patio. Upstairs you have 4 bedrooms with a large master suite which has an ensuite bathroom that has double sinks, separate shower, and a garden tub. Let's go inside and check it out. Come on in. On this main level, obviously you have the study area, which is a 5th bedroom, as well as a full bathroom on the main level. On this side, you have the kitchen with granite countertops. There's speakers built into the kitchen area, the stainless steel appliances. There's a walk-in pantry as well. Home automation in this home so you can connect your smart devices. Let's check it out. Upstairs, you have 4 bedrooms with a large loft area, which also has a closet, so it could be a 5th bedroom if you needed to close that off for a 5th bedroom. The master suite has 2 closets, one walk-in and a smaller one. There's double sinks, separate shower, and garden tub in the ensuite bathroom. Let's go upstairs and check it out. I hope you enjoyed our tour. At the time we recorded this video, this particular Bentcreek floor plan is available for sale at $309,900. If you are interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in the area, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available properties for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.